Cell phones, you know, they're glued to us 24/7. We use them all the time. But what happens, say you're having a son or a daughter doing a little studying overseas in Europe? What do you do with a cell phone then? Most U.S. cell phone companies don't support that over in Europe, and if they do, they just charge you tons of money. We're talking anywhere between $1 and $5 a minute to make a call from Europe. So, my Sarah decided, she's going to head over to Europe, so I was looking, where do I find a European cell phone? Well, here's what I've found. Calls to and from Europe. It's a complicated little game, but I'm trying to make it as simple as possible, and this is what I've found out. Of all places, National Geographic, I said that right, National Geographic has a cell phone for travelers abroad. You can buy this, and it is an extremely simple, no-frills phone. It'll make calls, it'll do a little bit of texting, you don't even have a good keyboard, just the normal keyboard. But how much is this going to run you? Well, let's find out. Well, first of all, it comes with all the chargers and adapters so you can use them in the different countries in Europe, which is nice. That's included. Also comes with a SIM card that's good for all European countries if you buy it. You can also buy it for single countries as well. That SIM card and a credit for $29 comes on top of that. The total cost for the phone then is $88. It's not cheap, but in terms of taking or buying a phone and getting, you know, a whole package with it, that's a little bit cheaper. Here's what the calls are going to cost you. About 69 cents for calls to the United States. Calls coming from the United States will cost you 30 cents per minute. And you can text, but each text is 60 cents if you're sending texts from Europe to the U.S. And if you're receiving them, they're free. Again, it's National Geographic that has that phone, and that's this week's Higgins Hits.